Breeding, especially for Canada, is different from Europe because species are grading by size and not by weight. In long English types, we are aiming to develop varieties producing mainly medium-sized fruit for Canada, but this will remain a real challenge. In addition to fruit length and fruit quality, important characteristics for Canada are disease resistances. We are focusing on powdery mildew and green mottle resistances that we aim at the highest level in our new varieties. In addition, our close contact with our local team in Canada and our frequent visit to the growers keep us aware of a potential new disease. Next to resistances, we select for an adapted plant type for the season. For instance, for summer crop, we aim for a strong plant able to handle warm conditions and with endurance.
We need varieties that can produce efficiently to our geographical location and also be labor-friendly while still meeting the needs of the consumer.
In our internal trials, we are developing new lines and planning crosses between them. But our main job is especially to screen those hundreds of new hybrids to select a smaller set of potential new varieties and to see them externally in real condition at growers. This step is essential for Rijk Zwaan for different reasons. First, to select the best variety that we will introduce commercially. Then to evaluate our material blood and its behavior at growers. And finally, we are trying to understand growers' crop management and how they are steering their crops to transfer it into our breeding process.
We participate in the trialing that Rijk Zwaan offers because it helps us to see firsthand the importance of variety selections based on our way of growing in this particular area, and also helps me to see and potentially be the front runner of a new variety available commercially.
Having the possibility to do trials at growers' location is for our benefit and our customers. For us, the important thing is to be able to gather data from the Canadian market to be able to select the right varieties for this specific market. On the other hand, for the grower welcoming the trial, it's a very good opportunity for them to see new varieties in their own location and conditions.
Rijk Zwaan and Vine Fresh working together helps us to achieve things we wouldn't be able to do on our own. Research on the behalf of Rijk Zwaan and growing at our greenhouse make finding new information to help desired traits possible.
The important word here is collaboration. Growers having trials are the first one to give us their point of view on the varieties. We are creating tailor-made varieties for the Canadian market based on the input they give us.
Altogether, we of course always keep an eye on production to keep it as high as possible in our variety. My ambition is to keep this close relationship we have between breeding and our Canadian colleagues and make stronger our trial network at growers. By keeping good exchanges with them, combining their needs and our expertise, we will continue developing varieties adapted to each segment with the right package for our customers. We are stronger by working together.
My ambition in the future will be to continue to offer high-quality cucumber to our customer so their customer expectations are met.
I'm proud of playing a role in this Rijk Zwaan cucumber team, which is a big group. We are always looking for the best solution and innovation for our growers. One example could be our new variety Selector, bred for traditional winter crops. This is the first variety for this segment with a higher level of powdery mildew without sensitivity to low light necrosis. It was selected from our collection set at growers in Canada. And this is for me a good example of why we are stronger by working together.
One of my goals is to see these variety trials offer solutions to disease pressure.
What I would love to see in the future is an even better collaboration between us and the Canadian growers. The more trial we have, the more work I have, but I like it, but also the better we are as a vegetable seed company.